Okay, we're going to create a LODE account in record time. We need to have our email address ready and our application. Let's go lodewallet.com. Continue, get started, set up account. First name, Humberto Morales. The email is gold@gmail.com. Password, confirm, continue. Okay, and we're going to receive a verification code. We go here, we go here, we copy, we go here, we go here, we paste, continue. Okay, we scroll down, all the terms and conditions, read if you have the time, set up a pin, skip. Now we're going to activate the Vault wallet, got it. Set up a new Vault wallet. We have to write those words in a piece of paper, and then we're going to confirm. I have store in a safe place, and I'm going to confirm lady, usual, and this one is potato, fantasy, fury, and drum, ghost, develop, and pause, and 11 is going to be false, and then enter your pin, and that's it. You have now your LODE wallet created. Continue to homepage. Now we're going to set the payout address. Continue. Yes. Sign. Confirm with the code. And continue. And we're done.